Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to today's video. Today is going to be a one-hit wonder thrift series video. We're gonna drive out to a store that I hit a few weeks ago and see what they've got there. This particular store, I'm just gonna continually check back at this store. We found some very profitable stuff there over the past couple of weeks, and so we're going back out. It's a 25 or so minute drive, so we're gonna get back out there and see what we can find. I just washed my van yesterday. Took it to the car wash. Not sure if you can see this, but it's completely filthy on the back now. So, all right, here we are at the Thrift. We are going to jump in there. I did a little bit of editing differently this time, so we synced up the clips to the beat of the music. Let me know in the comments if you enjoy this type of edit or not. The carts, there's something to be said for the carts that are at the Thrift. There's always that one wonky cart that you kind of just have to shove to the side while you get in there and get a decent cart. I thought these were Merrell sandals. They were not. They were Wrangler or something. Found this pair of Sauconys, took them up to the front to get a price check. Luckily, they were worth buying. So also something that I'm doing differently with the One Hit Wonder Thrift series is I'm putting any potential thing in my cart and hoarding all of it until I get to the end, and then I pick my final piece out. So going through, just kind of looking, this is an extremely tiny store, and so they don't have a ton of stuff, but I was definitely finding a few things here and there. Found this very interesting leather motorcycle vest, and when I went up to the front, I asked about it, and they said that they had two other vests that were official Harley Davidson brand, covered in pins, that someone had just bought a few minutes before I got there. So missed out on it, but you know, maybe it was just not meant to be. Walking around the corner, I spotted it. There she is. What could this be? Well, I mean, obviously you know what it is. It is a set of golf club irons. There were two sold comps you see right there, $70 and $150. And this had the entire 3 through 9 plus 2 pitching wedges plus the bag. They wanted $20 for it. But because I got it on sale day, I got 25% off. So we stuck right in at the $15 mark for this item. Still cruising around the store. Decided to stop by the shirts because you never know what you're going to find. Like this amazing pistachio green cacti shirt. I did end up buying this simply for myself because summer's almost here and the beach days are going to be pleasurable in that minty green shirt. Cruising on down, also looking at shorts. I bought this pair of mint green shorts for myself as well, not to wear with that shirt because that would look horrible. But I've been paying close attention, paying a lot of attention to colorful shorts. And then also really quick, can we just say something for the fact that there are actually good clothes nowadays in the Thrift? Like, I actually find my size and style rather often. All right, guys. So it's the next day, and I did not finish filming yesterday. Unfortunately, it's bright outside. It is so bright outside. Let's fix this. All right, I did not finish filming yesterday, and so finishing up today. First things first, I need to open this van up. We did get a one-hit wonder item yesterday. It was slim pickings at the Thrift, but we did get something. What we got was this this junky golf bag with some pretty nice clubs in it. And I'm gonna go over this with you, why I bought this horrible bag. This thing is awful. Not trying to be negative, but it's the truth. So this bag is dirty, it's grungy. I don't really know what's going on here. This person, whoever used this,
either did not take care of it or they stored it for a really long time. But what we're really looking at here are these Warrior Custom Golf DCP Grooves irons set. So what's interesting about this is these very minimal wear on them at all. You have the 3 through the 9 plus 2 pitching wedges. So I'm gonna keep one of these pitching wedges for myself, but the 3 through 9 plus 1 pitching wedge should get me a solid, I don't know, 60 to 70, maybe 80 bucks if I want to sell it fast, which I do. The bag, I don't know that I'm going to do much with this. I'll probably just throw the bag away. It's got mold all over it. It's mildewy. It's just really gross. Probably not going to keep that. Maybe I'll pressure wash it and see if I can actually clean it up and see what happens with it. The brand, I'm not familiar with this brand. It just says Jones Golf. I don't know if somebody had this, if they had this embroidered for themselves, if they were Jones or what, but it just says Jones Golf. I haven't gone through all the pockets. Honestly, a little scared to. There are some knickknacks and things here and there that we can just, oh, there's some practice balls. So yeah, I haven't gone through this thing. I just picked it up and it is sort of what it is currently. And I'm really looking forward to selling these. So I'm gonna get these cleaned up today and listed. They are really nice, and you can't really tell in the camera, but they have a deep green shaft on here, which is incredible. I really like this. I wish I could keep these for myself, but you know, we're in the business of making money, not storing items or keeping items. So that's that. I do want to take a minute to thank you guys for joining in on this episode of the One Hit Wonder Thrift Series. I think we got a solid item today, and I think that we're going to do very well selling it. As the restrictions lift in a lot of places for golf courses and recreational things, you're going to start seeing a lot more of these sales. I mean, golf clubs have been selling like crazy recently anyways, but as we get more relaxed with these stringent rules, as they relax, you're going to see a lot more sales of this stuff. So I'm taking advantage of it. I am locking sales in with these kind of items. I have had a couple people reach out to me and say, hey, you know, my Callaway golf clubs are not even selling. What makes you think that those off-brand clubs will sell? And you have to look at what kind of Callaway golf clubs you're selling. You might be trying to sell a set or a model that is just not desirable, whereas an off-brand or something like this custom golf clubs, whatever it is somewhat desirable. The comps will tell the story of whether you'll be able to sell or not. So with that being said, thank you guys for joining in on this video. I really appreciate you watching and joining me in Thrift. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button. If you're not already subscribed, consider clicking that little button. All it is just one little click. And then as always, I will see you on the next video.